Bend forward. See how my finger's going a little bit further in? Looking from the top.
Right in here somewhere popped. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna push a little bit deeper.
Oh, it's like loose.
Looking at the feet, heel strike, mid stance, and toe off. There's just a little bit of eversion, but it's bilateral and symmetrical, which suggests that it's normal. I don't see any pronation, supination, and I don't suspect any loss of arches. All right, looking at the hip height, we most likely have a higher left hip. Yeah, I see high left hip, high left shoulder, high left mastoid process. All right, arches are definitely intact. Go ahead and turn around the other way. Good. Looking at the Achilles tendon, there's no bowing, no pronation, no supination there. Just observing the spine first. You can see the left hip starts to come up a little bit. You can see the tilting of the sacrum and the entire pelvis is going this way. The curvature follows suit in the thoracolumbar spine. Good. Very symmetrical, cool. No excessive dampness or dryness on the skin. And right at the bottom half of the curvature, that's where the muscles are the most tense. Open, close, open, close. Good. The right side is moving nicely. It's the left side which just lags a little bit. So we'll check the left SI. Okay, I'm going to slide up to the bottom of the glute fold. These look pretty even. We're slightly lower on the right side. And then looking from the top, good, we're accentuated on the right. I'm going to palpate the top of the glutes here.
Okay.
It is hypertonic on this right side. This right glute is hypertonic. All right, first we're going to check the movement of the sacrum versus the ilium. Okay, go ahead and bend forward. Come back up. There is movement there. Let's check the right side. Okay, go ahead. Right side. Coming back. One more time, bend forward. All right, let your head relax. Okay, nice, smooth, long curve in the thoracic spine from the thoracic lumbar transition all the way up. There's not a lot of rib humping, which means the rotation is minimal. Nice, long, functional curve. You know, it straightens out nicely when you stand up. All right, so I'm going to follow the sacrum down here to the coccyx. Do we have any tenderness here?
Yeah.
How about here?
Yeah, I'd say about equal.
Okay, now we'll recheck. Is it still tender or is it the same, better or worse?
I'd say probably better. That's tender.
This one's still tender, right? Nice, gentle breathing. Okay, let's give it a try. Deep breath. Good. Sinking out the back. Sink. Very nice. Okay, nice and gentle. Take a deep breath in. Out. Got the shoulders relax, head and neck, and good. Just like that. Then. All right, let's do this. We're going to check the contraction of the lumbar muscles. So I'm going to lift your right leg up in the air.
Like that?
Exactly. Down. Okay, left. Good, down. Can do the right again? Okay, down. About even in height. Okay, which one was either one more difficult for you? Try it again, do the right. Down. Left. Down.
Maybe the left?
Okay, right or left, which is more tender here?
Neither are super tender.
About the same? Okay, how about here, right or left?
Yeah, I can feel it on both, but I noticed it on the left first.
Good, we're nice and straight up and down that way. Okay, deep breath in. And out. This one's like this, forward, so I'm going to pull it back this way, and it's also external, so I'm going to push it back that way with my hip right here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, nice, gentle breathing. Go take a deep breath in. Good. Good. Shoulders sinking in. Very nice. And you're back. Nice, gentle breathing. Nice and gentle. I'm gonna bring your head over to the side like there. Okay, then very gently we're gonna follow your breath just like the other adjustments. Yeah, that one has some tension in it.
A little bit. I like felt that one like all the way down.
Good, a little push here. Gentle, 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 gentle.
Ow. Mine's stubborn. Oh.
All right, ready? Hold your knees together now. Hold them together. Don't let me pull it apart. Hold it. Hold.
Oh. That's weird. I didn't expect, like, I was like right in here somewhere popped.
All right, so this is a digestive organ manipulation, okay? Keep breathing into your belly. Okay, we're just gonna follow the diaphragm along, releasing tension.
Yeah, right on there is a little uncomfy.
Okay, keep breathing. All you have to do is keep your teeth together. As you breathe out, we'll follow your breath like this. And at the end of your breath, we're gonna go in that direction, okay? All right, let's give it a try. Good.
Oh, God.
Breathe. Keep breathing.
Okay.
Breathe.
There's so many feelings that my body doesn't even know what to focus on.
That's good. That's good awareness. Yep. Just keep breathing.
I feel weird. It's like loose, like a weird loose.
Open. Okay, close. Right there. Breathe. This is the worst I've ever felt.
It's very sensitive.
What was it?
Don't make me laugh. It hurts. Okay.
Okay, look, it's getting better. Hold on. See how my fingers going a little bit further in?
Mm-hmm.
It's because the muscle's releasing.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, you're doing good. Just keep breathing. Breathe.